Morning everyone, how are we doing, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. This is a fun episode, every episode is a fun episode. And today I want to show you around the about the studio where I've started to do my videos. I've had a few videos come out in the studio, but I haven't been doing much. And I'm going to have another video come out about that very, very soon. But I want to show you around the video, show you around the studio. It's not massive, but show you some of the tools that I've got, some of the booze that I've bought, and just a little tour so you can see what it's like. So if you want to make your own studio, you know how to do it, I guess. But anyway, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, you can consider, yeah, whatever, you know what to do. Right, this is the Flair section. Got myself a little Flair portable bar right here. And this is where you'll see me bust out some of the more exhibition-y Flair type moves. There's a bit more space, there's a nice background, and it's easier to flare here, basically. Let's have a closer look. All right, so this is the little Flair area. If I swivel the camera around, this is my little practice bar, which I got from a guy called Jimmy Greenhow, who runs a bar called Graffiti. I've always got a bottle and tin in there, so when I feel the urge I need to flare, it's there, ready to go. Got a couple of magazines, class magazines. There's a local bar magazine here in the UK. And that's pretty much it. I'm standing on AstroTurf. There's no bounce mats here, just AstroTurf. So if I do drop these glass bottles, the chances are they may break. But yeah, pretty simple setup. That's that. All right, this part you've seen already at the very beginning. This is my AstroTurf. This is my talking heads section. You get it. It's just a piece of AstroTurf stuck on the wall. Look. See, look, AstroTurf stuck on the wall. That's pretty much it. To give you a bit of perspective, from here is where the Flair bar area is. Okay, so that's the AstroTurf behind me. If I swivel around, I'm going to turn the camera around and stand behind it. This is basically a storage area. This is where I've got my lights, one light there, one light there. And this is sort of where I charge all my stuff as well, and little storage box that keeps my PortaBar. And on that, you know, smooth transition, if I come over here, this is my PortaBar. Now, if you don't know what a PortaBar is, I'll put a link in the description below so you can go and check them out. But basically, all you need to know is that they are the greatest mobile bar that you can find. I'll say that again, they are the greatest mobile bar which you can find on the market. That bar fits into those two boxes. So I'm going to keep the camera here and give you a little guided tour of the bar. Now, as you can see, it is like a fully stocked bar. So let's come back to this thing because I love this thing. Little preparation, and this is 3 bay. So you got 1 bay, 2 bay, 3 bay. Okay, and it's 2 meters wide. So this is the little sort of preparation area, glassware storage, garnish, things like that. Underneath, I've got a shelf or 2 shelves for more storage. Now, if I come across This is my ice well. There's not much ice in it at the moment, but I will be filming a video very soon. And then you've got the speed rails down here. This is the stuff I'm going to be using for the next video. Some Cointreau, a bit of cachaça, and a large bottle of Hennessy. This is insulated, these two, and this around here is all insulated, so your ice stays cold. Very, very important. Now, if I swing across, I've got another speed rail right here where I have empty Flair bottles and syrups and things like this. But this is what makes this bar amazing as well, is that you've got over here a little drainage area. So if you're emptying out mojitos and things into the sink, you throw them straight in there, and then you can chuck that in the bin. This you can use for your champagne and wine for chilling. And then you've got a little pump action sink right there and a chopping board for chopping all your fruits. Now, if I look underneath, there's the water for the sink. Over there, that's the waste, and a bucket to collect the water from the ice well. So, well, let's have a look on the bar top as well. Obviously the bar top, I've got fully stocked with everything that I need. So I am never short of an awesome bar to shoot my videos. I think you shall agree. Now this is the main bar area. Yes, this is where I'll be shooting most of my videos. As you can see, fully stocked back bar. This is stuff that I've begged, borrowed and stolen. Well, no, I've asked friends and bought from duty free and collected over the years. And this is my little or large collection of bottles behind me. You've already had a look at the bar. You've seen all the tools. I'm not going to go through all of those, but we've got the tiki shake, we've got the grey, we've got copper, we've got antique brass, we've got all the different types of spoons that you need. We've got bitters, strainers galore. I mean, there's everything that you need to mix up cocktails on this bar. So let's have a quick closer look at the back bar, and then we're almost done. So down here we've got liqueurs and flavors and sort of miscellaneous section. Then this is all rum up the back there. Focus, yes. On the sides, up the back, and a little bit around this side, obviously. Then a swing over to here in the middle, another kind of miscellaneous and tequilas we've got down here. Then along the front we've got gin, because there's more gins in the world than any other brand. Well, I don't know. Don't quote me on that. Vodkas, then some vermouths behind that, and then we're on to whiskies and bourbons, although I've only actually got one bourbon. But it's still a pretty good collection. Down here, good selection of glassware. This is camera stuff, storage, fridge, because everybody needs a fridge, and more equipment, chiller box, more stuff, boring stuff. But, oh, and a freezer, because it's nice to freeze things. Yes, it is. So that is the studio. I hope you enjoyed the little tour. If you've got any questions about some of the equipment or anything within the studio which you didn't see or you did see, or anything that you thought was a bit weird or cool or whatever, just put it in the comments box below and let me know. Ask me anything that you want. And that's it really. Just to finish off saying thank you very, very much for watching. And I'll be posting another video very, very soon as to why my channel is changing. My channel is changing. And I'll be going through that very, very soon for you. But to finish off, let me just show you this view. If I go here and open this window, whoop, I've got this glorious view of London and all this space to do some fun stuff. Cool. Guys and girls, thank you very, very much for watching. Until next time, see you then.